Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months.
Good morning from Dubai. Yes, from Dubai. So I actually landed last night around like 2 a.m. and I just woke up. Excuse how I look right now. I look so messed up. But I just woke up and the first thing that I decided to do today was oil my hair. I'm using cold pressed coconut oil. It's actually like a weekly routine of mine where I apply coconut oil, but I only started doing it willingly in the past 1 year. Before I used to like never like it at all. Like my mom used to force me to do it and I used to hate it so much because of the way it felt on my hair, but now I started to realize that it made my hair more curlier, so I just started doing it more often. I was supposed to go to school as well today, by the way, but luckily it was a day off. I literally found out 2 days ago that I did not have school today. I could sleep a bit more as well, so I'm really glad. I actually woke up a few minutes ago. It's 8:15 or something, so I woke up at 8. I'm kind of fresh today, it's not that bad. But yeah, so I just applied coconut oil. My mom's showering right now and she actually applied it for me. How sweet. After she's done showering, I have to go shower as well. As I said, I have a lot to do, like studying, washing my hair, and then dressing up. I still haven't decided my outfit, by the way. I still have to decide on my outfit because I just landed. I didn't have the time for that, but I have to do all of that and then do my nails again and then unbox my PR packages, attend the events. And it's a CROCS event, by the way, which I'm really excited for. So yeah, there's so much more I need to do, and I also have so many assignments to submit. So yeah, I have to come back home early as well because I have to go to school tomorrow, so I need to be in bed early tonight. So yeah, basically it's like a mess. But yeah, the reason I decided to oil my hair today was because I could save time from just curling my hair with all these products. The thing is, when I oil my hair, since my hair is already naturally curly, the oil like enhances my curls even more, so it makes it even more curlier than it already is. So instead of just curling and using all those products, I just oil my hair so it makes it look better. So yeah, that's about it, and I'll take you guys with me through like a day in my life type of vlog. So yeah, come with me. Okay, so I'm back fresh out of the shower. Okay, so here's my plan. I'm gonna eat breakfast. It's actually 10 a.m. right now, which is really late. I have a lot more left to do, but it is what it is. So yeah, after I eat breakfast, I'm gonna be doing my nails because I do not want them to look all crusty when I'm doing my unboxing videos. And also I do not want them to be looking bad and weird when I'm going for the events. I actually have a few events scheduled for this week. So that's usually when I do my nails, when I have a lot to do. I'm actually staring at the boxes right now because I'm so overwhelmed because I have a lot to do. But let me just show you guys the boxes. So these are the packages that I got home to last night. Okay, so they've got me Victoria's Secret, Rimmel, Lush, Crocs, and Pixie, I think. So the main one that I'm going to be unboxing to like ASAP is this one. It's the Crocs one because I have to go for the event tonight. So I need to unbox it as soon as possible because I need to check what they've got me prior to attending the event. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox this right now. But first, before I even start, I really need to eat these dosas that my mom made for me. I've been craving them when I was in Baku and I finally got them. I need to eat it hot. So let me have it. I'm done eating. There's a bit of red chutney left. I finished the white one because I didn't have much dosa left for the red one, but still I love this so much, especially the white chutney. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands and then do my nails. Are you guys seeing how crusty my nails are right now? They look so bad. I actually just took off a set of nails and I've got another fresh set of nails here, and they are from BT Art Box Nails. As you can see over here, the nails are from BT Art Box as well. So this has been my go-to for like the past few months. They work so well and they last like 3 weeks.
If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's so.
I'm done doing my nails. This is what they're looking like. And to be honest, like lately I've been having this obsession with like French tips. I don't know what it is about it, but like it just looks so classy and nice, especially like the glossy finish. And honestly, can you guys like believe that I've done this at home? It's literally got a salon finish. I love these nails so much. Now let me just unbox the packages, especially the Crocs one. Let me unbox the Crocs one first. So I'm done with my makeup and this is my outfit. And I'm also wearing Crocs and the color really matches with my pants. I'm gonna pair these Crocs with black socks and this whole outfit is basically just black and brown. So yeah, let me just go get ready now. Okay, so I just got ready and this is what my outfit looks like and my headphones. So yeah, that's about it. Let's head out.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my kid away. I know I've been away. Trying to get my mind straight. Don't get my kid away.
Okay, so I'm here at the event and it's going so well so far. I'm loving this vibe and especially the DJ is doing a really good job. I'm really enjoying this place. But apart from that, I also just got my Crocs. So happy. It's actually plain white, which I really like because then I can just customize it by myself using like the 100 divots that they gave me. So I'm just gonna customize it by myself. There's actually options to customize it there, over there. Like there's a specific option for it. But I'm not gonna be going there because I don't want my white ones to be ruined. Okay, so that's that for today. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I did. And I also got this small little goodie from the event that I attended, the Crocs. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye!